always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and get into the full drop list for Supreme Week 8, if I'm not mistaken. We do have the tees dropping this week. We have a bunch of fire items that I think are actually that I feel like low-key this week might be the best week so far. We got my favorite hoodie releasing. We got probably one of my favorite fitteds releasing. Beanies are dropping. Everything is just dropping this week, and I'm actually really amped to see what these shits do, because I'm just trying to pick up a couple pieces. This week, I feel like everything that I'm going for mainly is for my personal collection, so I'm pretty amped to see how this goes. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to go ahead and look at the sub count. Make a difference today. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's so easy to subscribe. And matter of fact, once we get to 20,000, we're gonna have a crazy ass giveaway. I'm giving away some sneakers or a box logo. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna go ahead and start from the very bottom of this list with the braided leather overcoat. This shit is $600. I see why it's at the bottom of the list. 600 people don't like this shit. Matter of fact, 599. Let's make that 600 real quick. This item is gonna be releasing at $600. And honestly, this is something that you see Denzel Washington wear in like a 90s movie. I definitely am not feeling this piece. First of all, it's two things that I don't like. It's a leather jacket and it's a leather jacket, bro. We good on that. Next up, we do have the Reconstructed short sleeve top. This one's actually not that bad. I think it's pretty solid. The only thing that I don't like about it is the retail price. At $88, I could low-key buy the Nicole and one of the other tees that I already do like, so it's pointless to go ahead and just spend my money on this piece right there. Next up, we got the Shea Hooded Zip Up, which I don't understand why it's so low on the list. I feel like this is one of those items that definitely could be doing better as far as the drop list goes, but I don't know, people ain't feeling it. If I was to pick this up personally, I'd either go for the black or the white colorway. Both of those are pretty solid in my opinion. We do have the stacked Cordura 6 panel. This one's actually pretty solid. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open for you guys real quick. Hold up. So this is the full size picture. I feel like this Cordura stacked logo hat is fire. It is a camp cap, and honestly it almost looks like a dad hat in the form of a vintage snapback. I don't know why, but it looks like it has the green brim under it. You could kind of see it on the black one. This is kind of fire. If I were to get it, I'd probably just stick to black, navy, or red for this piece. All the colorways are hard in my opinion though. Then we got the Dingaling Not Sorry tee. I'm good on this one right here. First of all, I don't know if it's a man, it's a dude, it's a woman. Hey, we respect everybody. It is 2021, but this Dingaling piece is not being worn by me, so I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that right there. We do got the Dingaling pin too. We good on that shit. Then we got the peacock jacket in the black and white colorway. It's okay, but it's definitely not a piece that I would go out of my way for. Nothing that I would even care about buying. This would definitely sit on the website if it were up to me, and I feel like if it's up to y'all gonna let this shit sit as well. We good on that piece. We got the embossed logo hooded sweatshirt. I'm gonna have to go a little bit more in detail on this one because you can't really see it from far. This one just has a bunch of Supreme logos, almost seems like, and it's not bad. I guess it's cool, but I'm not really into buying these blasted ass Supreme hoodies, so I'd probably end up sleeping on that one as well. This rhinestone Old English font is crazy. I'm definitely a fan of this one. Anything Old English, sign me up, coach. Like, where do I apply? I would actually love to pick this up. The black colorway is hard, the red, the baby blue, and the tan is hard too. That white one would just get musty. Like, nah, I'm good on that shit. I feel like this hat was supposed to release last week and they canceled it. It's alright, we already spoke about that shit last week. These cargo pants are actually not that bad. I do love that olive colorway, pretty solid. $158, they can smoke a dick though. Like, we good on that. This bandana tarp small duffel bag is pretty fire. I do go away for the weekend, so I can just low-key pack a couple pieces in there and be on the go. I do love the retail on these duffels as well. It is on the lower end, and I'm a fan, bro. If I were to pick this up, I'd probably just go black or brown. Both of those are solid. Then we got the piece that was actually on the teaser, which I'm gonna go ahead and open a little bit for you guys. This one says, love all, trust few, do wrong to no one. It does have that 2021 under it, and it is a Mitchell & Ness piece, so hey, if that's something something y'all want to know. On the front of this, it just has the Supreme Arc logo. It looks clean. It's definitely a fire piece. I just don't know if I'm willing to spend $248 on that one. There's so many other pieces like this new era skull fitted. I feel like this is a banger. Low-key, I did bring this up in the lookbook. I love this piece. This is one of those pieces that I personally want in my collection. I've been into wearing fitteds a lot. Y'all seen me wear that LA fitted that I have so much to this point that is low-key kind of getting burnt out, so I gotta buy some new fitteds, and this might be added to the collection. I love the skull on this. I don't know if I'd go for the gray or the black. Low-key, I feel like I already have those colors in fitteds. Even the red is fire, but I already have a red Supreme hat, so I might just end up going for black, navy, green, or gray. The yellow one is fire too, but I just don't know how much I would end up wearing that one, so I'm gonna just leave it right there. Low-key, the gray or the navy are calling my attention with this. Definitely need that hat. I don't know about y'all, but I think that shit is fire. Then we got the bigger version of the duffel. This one is a must. $78 for this. You can probably fit like a couple pairs of sneakers, a laptop, some pants in there, a couple shirts in there. $78, that's cheap for a duffel. Do not sleep on this. And I also do love the shape because duffels are usually like oversized and like wide as hell, fucking tall as hell. This is more like a maleta type vibe, like a duffel that's almost like a smaller suitcase, if that makes sense. $78 on this is a vibe. I would go for the black or the brown. Once again, that lime is just OD. But we do have this Miles Davis tee, which I did speak about yesterday. The Miles Davis tee is actually not that bad. I am a fan of it, and if I can get it in one of my carts, I definitely will. We got the Old English rhinestone short sleeve, which is basically to match that beanie that's releasing this week. We got the fuck tee, which is gonna retail at $44. If I can once again add this to one of my carts, I definitely will. We got the side bag, which I'm gonna try to get probably. I feel like I don't even wear any of my side bags, but this one in the black bandana is actually a vibe. It almost gives me like messenger vibes, and that's the reason why I would get it, is that I love messenger bags. I just don't have one, and one day I am gonna own a Louis V one. That's like my dream. The black Louis V damier messenger bag is just beautiful in my opinion, but for now we gonna settle with this Supreme bandana one. You feel me? This is fire in that black colorway. Definitely a solid pickup. I would honestly pick up both of these, the fuck tee and the side bag. We got the foo dunk piece, which somebody did bring to my attention that this is done by the same person who did the boat tee from last season. I did post a picture on my Instagram, I think, wearing that shirt. It's done by the same person with like that playful vibe. I kind of understand it, but honestly, bro, it's still not what it should have been. The toy pile tee is probably one of my favorites for this week. I love the way that the branding just is on the front and really colorful and vibrant colors. On this black one, it pops a lot, and I really do love that shirt. This ape one is ass, bro. Like, it's still not doing it for me, bro. When I think ape, I think bape, and it's not that. So we good on this shit right here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This FTP beanie is a banger, bro. Banger on the beat. This one's hard. I love every colorway on this piece. The green, the purple, the red, the black, the gray. All of these shits are hard. $38 retail on that. You cannot go wrong. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the 3 final items. The 3 bangers for this week. Low-key 2 bangers for this week. But we do got the Miles Davis Unseen skateboard. This one is fire. We didn't know this was gonna release, and I actually think it's pretty hard. If you got a skate deck collection, this would fit perfectly with that collection. It's a vibe. It's different. It's not the same Supreme spell out shit that they always do. I definitely am a fan of this. I wonder if they're gonna do other colorways, but regardless, I'd probably end up picking the black one. I don't know if that's the official color because it is a mock-up. It's probably gonna look like the tee, and that's what the tee looked like. So last up, we got these 2 bangers right here. We're first gonna talk about the Anna Nicole tee because we're on it first, and the retail for that is gonna be $48. I understand. It's almost like a photo tee. This cream colorway is just amazing. Definitely need this in my personal collection. Like, this one I would wear. I know the story behind her. If you don't know, you should definitely look it up. I don't know if you guys are into crime shows and stuff like that, but that's something that I'm personally into, so I can get behind this piece. Fire, bro. Fire. Nonetheless, I wonder if the Supreme branding, like the color of it, is gonna change depending on the tee. Hopefully it stays black and white, but this is beautiful. $48 retail. Anna Nicole, shout out to the first gold digger, but fire. Nonetheless, fire. Last up, we're gonna put this bitch on the big screen. We got the FTP. Yes, FTP. We ain't talking about fuck the population, but we talking about the FTP hoodie. This one is amazing. If you guys aren't picking this up, thank you, because low-key it gives me a bigger chance at getting it. I would grab any one of these colorways random. I don't even care. Give me any of these bitches in an XL and we vibing. Like, this is a a banger, bro. That brownish tannish colorway is definitely my first pick. Second, I would probably go pink or purple. Third, I would go gray, black, or red. I don't even care. Literally from the front to the back, that's my order. I love either one of these equally. I love the way that the Supreme spell out is on it. I wonder if it has anything on the back. Low-key, if it doesn't, I don't even care. This is a beautiful piece. It's a beautiful piece. Beautiful, bro. I feel like this is gonna resell for sure. Down the line, it's gonna go for some type of money. I feel like Supreme has done this font in the past. I might not be 100% correct on that, but I do know that they have done this, if I'm not mistaken. I love this piece, bro. Low-key, if there's one thing or two things that I can get this week, they're literally right at the top of the list. I could go with either one of these and I'd be set for this week. This is what I need, and it's not even because they're hyped or whatever. Like, I love both of these pieces. I remember when I was seeing the lookbook, I said that this hoodie right here was gonna go, and I still feel the same way, bro. I still need this hoodie. I need this Anna Nicole Smith tee, and that's pretty much it for this drop list. Let me know what y'all have to say in the comments below. I believe that this is one of the better weeks for Supreme, because honestly, from my personal collection, if I can go ahead and pick any of these items up and actually wear them, I'm gonna let y'all know what it is right here. The FTP hoodie, FTP beanie, Anna Nicole tee, this toy pile tee. I'd probably hang the Miles Davis shit up. This side tarp side bag fuck tee, Miles Davis tee, the bandana Duffy would come with me. This Skull New Era would come with me. I don't need the small Duffy because I want the big one. Yo, that's low-key like 10 items. That's more than I wanted from week 1, to say the least. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, slap a big ass like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Bro, look at the sub count. Subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Like, bro, I literally just gave y'all enough time to go down there and hit that button. We're so close to 20,000. Let's go ahead and get to that by the end of this year. I know we can do it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, subscribe. You already know what to do, man. Let me know what your favorite items for this week are. What are you going to be going for? Are you going to be single carding shit, double carding shit? Let me know. If you need anything, hit me on my Instagram. It's usually up here or up here, one of the two. All this to be said, just subscribe down below. Once we get to 20K, I'm going to do a big ass giveaway, I promise y'all. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you and you in the back too on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.